Now, one of the things I have in my toolbox, maybe because I work security at a shopping center with teens all over, but I learned that there must be careful planning and scheduling. And one of the things that helped me was to learn how to overlap volunteers, volunteers who are fresh, clear minded, and ready to smile. Plus, everyone enjoys the time at the event without neglecting specific tasks. So you had people kind of taking care of each other. It was great. And so having a fresh set of eyes, rested hearts, really helps moving things along. And plus, as a leader, you need to have a bird's eye view, right? You need to be able to see things, make sure everyone's good, things are moving along. But above all, you need to be able to go do the wobble. You need to be out there, right? So it's important also to have a team that does not mind acting silly sometimes, right? So I want every young person that comes in to feel like a guest and in time like family. I want them to know how valuable they are by the way we treat them with respect, with integrity, generosity. So every person that volunteers must be a fan of young people, but they must also keep in mind respecting boundaries. Adult volunteers must have friends their age because as adults, they're leaders, mentors, allies, and who know that it's essential to maintain healthy boundaries. So I ask you to please develop an interview process that goes beyond a background check. I'm telling you this because young people face power dynamics and they do not always know when someone is using them. So trust your instincts. As adults, we rejoice and we expect nothing in return when we see youth join us and have fun. But friends can be, these teens can be vulnerable friends, right? Some of these teens lack resources. Street teens in particular can be intimidated to keep a secret. So we must be careful not to open the doors to regrettable possibilities. Remember that in everything we do no harm. So here's another thing. Not everyone can do youth work, right? Not everyone wants to be with the youth, but part of my volunteers were behind the scenes. These were youth workers that I would say, you want to come work with youth? And I'd be like, no, no. But they were actually great volunteers. And they were my best researchers and most administrative support that I could ever have. People who could poke holes into my logistics plan and help me be better prepared. But they did not set one foot anywhere near teens. And that was okay. Now, because of the events that we held, we attracted young people who at first I had no idea they were not part of the congregation.